Well, okay, here we are in the backyard. The turnaround is nice and clean. They finished gathering all the crap off of there and blowing all the nonsense off. You'll notice there's no tree there. The tree's been completely removed from the backyard. And the big tree that used to be right here is no longer here. Now let's take a walk around the corner here. And we see that everything's been blown away here. Here's the coverage I put over the telephone cable. They didn't disturb that. And right over here is where they temporarily laid all the logs, the pine logs that they were going to use. And that's where they finally laid them up against the street there, so that their truck can come pick them up tomorrow. So there we have it, nice and clean. And I didn't have to pay anything yet. They're going to call me tomorrow with to get a credit card number. That's nice. But I am going to ask them what was this $325 for a dumpster, because they didn't bring a dumpster. And here we have a stump. I always wish they cut it closer to the ground, but they never do. So that's it.